Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Quote of the day: 99% of the failures come from people who have the habit of making excuses. I am Dr. Hussain Mahmood. Today I am presenting on smoking under kind supervision of my worthy professor, Professor Dr. Saira Afzal. Learning objective: introduction of smoking, types of smoking, components of tobacco smoking, types of tobacco use, health effect of cigarette smoking, smoking quitting, smoking prevention and cessation, recent updates and MCQs. Learning outcome. By the end of this presentation, participants will be able to describe the introduction of smoking, types of smoking, components of tobacco smoking, types of tobacco use, health effect of cigarette smoking, smoking quitting, and smoking prevention and cessation. Introduction. Smoking, a practice in which a substance is burned and the resulting smoke breathed into the chest and absorbed in the bloodstreams. Smoking is generally done with pipes and cigars. The practice is believed to have begun as early as 500 to 3000 BC in Mesoamerica and South America. Tobacco was introduced to Eurasia in the late 17th century by European colonists, where it followed common trade routes. Types of smoking. Active smoking is the intentional inhalation of smoke using the method of smoking, such as cigarettes and cigars. And passive smoking, second-hand smoking, in the inhalation of smoke by a person other than intended active smokers. Definition: never smokers, adults who have never smoked a cigarette or who smoked fewer than 100 cigarettes in their entire lifetime. Former smoking are those adults who have smoked at least 100 cigarettes in their lifetime but say they currently don't smoke. Non-smoker adults who currently don't smoke cigarette, including both former smoker and never smokers. Current smokers are those adults who have smoked 100 cigarettes in their lifetime and currently smoke cigarette every day or some day. What is tobacco? Tobacco is a plant grown for its leaves, which are dried and fermented before being put in tobacco product. Tobacco contains nicotine, an ingredient that can lead to addiction. Tobacco smoking is a legal use everywhere in the world, yet it causes far more death than all other psychoactive substances combined. WHO key facts for tobacco. Tobacco kill up to half of its users who don't quit. Tobacco kill more than 8 million people each year, including an estimated 1.3 million non-smokers who are exposed to second-hand smokers. Around 80% of the world, 1.3 billion tobacco users lives in low and middle income countries. In 2020, 22.3 of the world population used tobacco, 36.7 of men and 7.8% of women. To address the tobacco epidemic, WHO member states adopted the WHO Framework Convention for Tobacco Control in 2003. Currently, 182 countries are parties to this treaty. The WHO empower measures are in line with WHO FCTC and have been shown to save lives and reduce costs for avoided healthcare expenditure. Chemical compound in cigarette smokes. Estimated number of chemical compounds in cigarette smoke are 7,357. Number of the compounds which confound carcinogenic activity are 70. The chemical compound includes nicotine, acetaldehyde, and nitrosamine, butadiene, benzene, acrolein, aromatic amines, and polyaromatics. Nicotine is stimulant and is one of the main factors leading to continued tobacco smoking. Smoking in nicotine facilitate dopamine release in nucleus accumbens, pleasurable effect triggers positive reinforcement and nicotine addiction. Chemical carcinogen. Tobacco smoke carcinogen product leads to formation of epoxides, leads to irreversible attack to a cell's nuclear DNA. It leads to genetic mutation and cause cancer cells. About 69 carcinogen are identified in tobacco smoke. Among of them, 11 are non-human carcinogen and 7 are probably carcinogenic in humans. Hemoglobin carries oxygen, carbon monoxide forms strong bonds with hemoglobin. Oxygen can no longer be carried. Carbon monoxide, the health effect of carbon monoxide saturation in the blood above 1% can cause detectable physical symptoms such as increased heart rate between 1% to 5%, reduced tolerance for exercise between 2% to 15%, headache and visual distortion can occur at high level of carbon monoxide saturation between 15% to 20%. Where does the tar go? Cigarette smoke paralyze or destroy the cilia, which are fine air that line your upper airway and help to protect against infection. When cilia are damaged, tar is able to penetrate further into your lungs where it can even more damage. Immediate health effects and damage to the lung include coughing and shortness of breath. Damage to the lung caused by smoking can lead to other complications such as emphysema. Types of tobacco use. Tobacco smoking is the act of burning dried or curved leaves of the tobacco plant and inhaling the smoke. Combustion release biochemically active compound in tobacco such as nicotine and TSNA and allows them to absorb through the lungs. Roll your own. Roll your own cigarettes are cigarette hand filled by the smoker from the fine cut loose tobacco rolled in cigarette papers, most preventable in Europe and New Zealand. Cigars are made of air carved and fermented tobacco with a tobacco leaf wrapped. The long aging and fermentation process produce high concentration of carcinogen compounds that are released on the combustion and most prevalent worldwide. Manufactured cigarettes are the most commonly consumed tobacco products worldwide. They consist of shredded or reconstructed tobacco processed with hundreds of chemical and rolled into the paper wrapped cylinder. Beedies consist of small amount of sun dried flake tobacco hand wrapped in dried timberoni and tendo leaf and tie with stings. Most preventive in South Asia. Kratiks are clove flavored cigarette widely smoked in Indonesia. They may contain wide range of exotic flavoring and eugeneal, which has an anesthetic effect. Most preventive in Indonesia. Water pipes are also known as shisha, hookah, norgila, and hubble bubble. Operate by water filtration and indirect heat, most prevalent in North Africa. Pipes are made of barrier, slate, clay, and other substance. Tobacco is the placed in bowl and the smoke is inhaled through the stem, most prevalent worldwide. Sticks are made from sun-cured tobacco and wrapped into cigarette paper, for example, hand-rolled brush, most prevalent in Papua New Guinea. Smokeless tobacco. Smokeless tobacco is usually consumed orally or nasally without burning or combustion. There are two main types of smokeless tobacco, snuff and chewed tobacco. Moist snuff is the small amount of ground tobacco held in the mouth between the cheeks and gums. Manufacturers are increasingly pre-packaging moist snuffs into small paper of cloth packets to make the product more convenient. Dry snuff is powdered tobacco that is inhaled through the nose and absorbed through the nasal mucosa are taken orally. Chewing tobacco. Oral smokeless tobacco produce the place in the mouth, cheeks, and inner lips and sucked or chewed. Tobacco paste or powder are similarly used placed on the gums or teeth, sometimes referred to as spit tobacco, because users spit out the built up tobacco juice and saliva. How do e-cigar work? E-cigar provide nicotine through a aerosol instead of through smoke or with tobacco cigarette. Puffing of the mouthpiece of the cartridge activates a battery power device, a heater that convert the liquid solution which contain nicotine flavor and other chemicals into aerosol. E-cigarettes. Myth: e-cigarettes are safe and don't have any toxin. Reality: cigarettes delivers nicotine and low level of toxin and chemicals. Many of them same chemicals found in tobacco and products. Health effect of cigarette smoking. Parts of body affected by smoking: brain, stroke, mouth and pharynx cancer, lungs cancer, emphysema, bronchitis, heart, coronary heart disease, esophagus and stomach cancer, peptic ulcer in pancreas, cause cancer in bladder, cause cancer in uterus and ovaries, infertility, spontaneous abortion, retarded fetal growth, early menopause, intestine reduced fertility, in peripheral arteries, peripheral vascular disease, in bone osteoporosis. Cancer, cancer of head and neck, lung, leukemia, stomach, kidney, pancreas, colon, bladder, cervix, and chronic diseases are stroke, blindness, gum infection, aortic rupture, heart disease, pneumonia, hardening of arteries, chronic lung disease, asthma, reduce fertility, and hip fracture. Sorry. Smoking and death. Cigarette smoking is the leading cause of preventable death in United States. Cigarette smoking causes more than 480,000 deaths each year in the United States. This is nearly 1 in 5 deaths. Smoking causes more death each year involving cause combined HIV, illegal drug use, alcohol use, motor vehicle injuries, firearm injuries, incidents. More than 10 times many US citizens have died prematurely from cigarette smoking and have died in all the war fought by United States. Smoking caused about 80% of all deaths from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Smoking and cardiovascular system. Smoking causes stroke, coronary heart disease, the leading cause of death in US. Smoking damage in the blood vessels, thicker, narrow heartbeat increase, blood pressure increase, and clot. Respiratory disease. Cigarette smoking is responsible for 90% of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic mucus hyperplasia of larger airway result in the chronic productive cough, as is many as 80% of smokers more than 60 years. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease cause of smoking is permanent, incurable reduction of pulmonary capacity characterized by shortness of breath, wheezing, persistent cough of sputum, and damage to the lungs, including emphysema and chronic bronchitis. The carcinogen acrolein and deviation and contribute to the chronic inflammation present in COPD. Smoking, long-term exposure to carbon monoxide and cyanide, chronic inflammation and narrowing of the small airway, permanent damage to the loss of elasticity of the alveoli cause emphysema, and COPD cause reduced expiratory airflow. Changes in the small airflow, young smoker will reverse after 1 to 2 years of cessation. Female infertility. Smoking harmful to the ovaries, potentially cause female infertility. Smoking cause nicotine and other harmful chemicals cause infertility, interfere with the body ability to create estrogen. It cause effect folliculogenesis and ovulation and cause female fertility. Some degrees reversible, but stop smoking can prevent further damage. Smokers are 60% more likely to infertile than non-smokers. Smoking and other health risks. Smoking increases for preterm delivery, stillbirth, low birth weight, sudden infant death syndrome, ectopic pregnancy, orofacial cleft in infants, miscarriage. Smoking affect bone health, affect the health of your teeth, gums, and your tooth loss, cataract. Smoking is also cause type 2 diabetes mellitus and can make it harder to control the risk of developing diabetes. Increase 40 to 30%. Smoking causes general adverse effect of the body, including inflammation, decreased immune function. Smoking is cause of rheumatoid arthritis. Stress. Smokers report higher level of stress every day. It indicates the both first and second hand smoke exposure may lead to the higher level of mental stress. Smokers have 53% greater chances of divorce than non-smokers. Effect of nutrition. Smoking drains the body of essential vitamin and minerals and also block absorption of the vital nutrients, including antioxidant. Smoking accelerate to production of free radicals. Free radicals may cause tissue and organ damage. Low antioxidant level reduce the body's ability to fight off these free radicals. Vitamin D, which aids in the calcium absorption, is affected by smokers. Smokers are high risk of osteoporosis. Benefit quitting. The body will be able to absorb essential vitamin and minerals, create the strong immune system. A stronger immune system provides the body's ability to repair and strengthen itself. Higher antioxidant level creates stronger bones, reduce the likeliness of getting sick, and allow the body to health properly. Health risks for family members, second-hand smoker, spouse, and children have increased risks of cancer, heart disease, have higher risk of sudden infant death syndrome. Benefit is reduce the all risk of health problem in your family. Coronary heart disease, smoking cause blood platelets clump with high risk of funiculations can cause spasm in coronary arteries, which can reduce blood flow to heart. Smoking cause irregular heartburn, low HDL or good cholesterol, reduce oxygen in red blood cells. Benefits after your years, first year of not smoking, your risk of heart disease decreased by half. Also, your risk of having a heart disease when you stop smoking after 15 of years of non-smoking, your risk of death from heart disease if you is decreased if you had never smoked at all. Problem with pregnancy. A risk. Women have who smoke are more likely to have following problems: stillbirth, miscarriage, low birth weight, children who have learning, emotional and behavioral problem. Benefits of quitting. If you quit smoke before you become pregnant, you risk of having a baby with low birth weights and the same as the woman who don't smoke. Women who quit later in pregnancy will reduce the risk of problem for their babies. Smoking quitting. Health benefits of smoking quitting. Improves health and increase life expectancy, lower risk of 12 types of cancer, lower risk of cardiovascular disease, it's lower risk of COPD, it's lower risk of reproductive health, poor reproductive health outcomes. It benefits is diagnosed with the coronary heart disease or COPD. It benefits who have smoked for years and have smoked heavily with benefit from quitting. Quitting smoking lower risk of 12 types of cancer: mouth cancer, throat cancer, voice cancer, esophagus, lungs, acute myeloid leukemia, liver, stomach, pancreas, kidney, colon, and rectum, bladders, and cervix. Quitting smoking. There are many planned strategies for helping people to quit smoking. Start quit as set as quit dates, tell family, friends, and co-workers and your plans to quit antioxidant and plan for the challenges you will face while quitting. Remove cigarettes and tobacco products and triggers from your home, car, and works. Talk to your doctor about getting help to quit. Quit tips. Quitting is the process. Ask for support, make a quit plan, call a smoker hotline, identify triggers, explore prescription option. Quitting is a process. Make a list of reasons to quit. Throw away all tobacco. Rewards yourself for success. Keep trying. 5 days for quitting. Delay. Urge. Craving will pass. Drink plenty of water. Distract yourself. Deep breathing. Discuss feeling with friend or medical providers. 2 hours for quitting. Reminder. Go over your reason to quit. Refuse. Think it's not you. You can't smoke. It's that you don't want to smoke. Model for treatment of tobacco use and dependence. General population patient present to healthcare settings. Uh, Ask patient, screen all patient for tobacco. If current user advised to quit, is assess willingness of quit. Is if patient is willing, assess with quitting. Arrange a follow up. If prevent, if not user primary prevention, if prevent relapse, arrange a follow up. Uh, if patient is not willing, promote motivational quit. Patient not willing to quit and assess with quitting. Then arrange follow up. Withdrawal symptoms and how overcome them. Symptoms: craving of for smoke, duration most intense during the first week but can longer for a month with wait out the urge, distract yourself, take a brisk walk. Irritability, short temper 2 to 4 weeks, exercise, take a hot bath, use relaxation techniques and avoid caffeine. Sleeplessness 2 to 4 weeks, avoid caffeine after 6 p.m. Use relaxation techniques, exercise, plan activities. Tiredness 2 to 4 weeks. Take nap. Don't push yourself. Lack of focus, poor memory. A few weeks reduce workload, avoid stress. Hunger several weeks or longer. Drink water or low caloric drinks. Eat low caloric snacks. Respiratory symptoms: coughing, dry throat, nasal spray. Several weeks. Drink plenty uh, fluids. Use cough drops. Ingestion, constipation, bloated, smoking 1 to 2 weeks. Drink plenty of fluid, fiber diet, and exercise. 2 ways, 30-second intervention. Ask about smoking and act to all happen. All tobacco user quit. 5 ways for 3 minute intervention. Ask about smoking. Advice to the benefit of cessation. Ask, assess motivation of quit. Assist stops attempts. Arrange follow up. Pharmacological nicotine replacement therapy. Rates of quitting: nicotine patch, nicotine gum, nicotine nasal spray, nicotine inhaler, bupropion, and varenicline. Smoking prevention and cessation. Primary and secondary prevention strategy. Primary prevention strategy to prevent people from starting smoking: ban on smoking in public place, ban on tobacco marketing, and health promotion to farm the education about the dangers of smoking and anti-smoking campaign. Secondary prevention in intervention to help people stop smoking: cessation such as nicotine replacement therapy and treatment. Cigarette smoking risk factor: precancerous lesion, mercury lesion, lung cancer. Screening, primary early detection and diagnosis, trial chemo prevention. Secondary surveillance for recurrence after treatment. Tertiary This is the pyramid of smoking cessation by health promotion, primary prevention, secondary and tertiary intervention. Recent updates. The scale of the human WHO response, the scale of the human and economic target by tobacco imposed in shrinking. In 2003, WHO member state unanimously adopted the WHO framework, strengthened, implemented the test treaty in the specifically include in 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals as Target 3A. In 2007, WHO introduced a practice cost-effective way to scale and implementation of the main demand reduction previous of the WHO FCTC on the ground empowers. Each empower measure correspond to the last one provision of the WHO framework convention on tobacco control. The most six power measures are monitor tobacco use and prevention policies, protect people from tobacco use, offer help to quit tobacco use, warn about the dangers of tobacco, enforce ban on tobacco advertising, promotion, and sponsorship, raise taxes on tobacco. WHO has been monitoring empower policies since 2007. WHO report on the global tobacco epidemic 2021, new and emerging product in the eighth in the series of WHO reports. The protocol to eliminate illicit trades in tobacco products requires a wide range of measures relating to tobacco supply chain, including the licensing of import, export, and manufactured tobacco product. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated around the world air on May 31. WHO Global Report on Trend of Prevalence of Tobacco or Use 2000 to 2025, third edition. Progress reducing the tobacco is the key indicator measuring countries' effort to the implementation of WHO framework progress toward STD Target 3A, the tobacco reduction target of Global Action Plan for the Prevention of Control Non-Communicable Diseases 2013 to 2020. Trend in the prevalence of tobacco use. In 2000, around third of the global population and 8 15 year older were current user of some forms of tobacco. By 2015, this rate declined. Tobacco declined about quarter, and global population assessing the current effort of tobacco control maintain all countries. The rate of projected decline further at around 50, fifth 20.9% of the global population by 2025. Working toward a tobacco-free world, the WHO framework convention on tobacco-free control. Measures of relating tobacco to demand the tobacco. This is article published in 2020, reduction in smoking reduced to ratification of the framework convention for tobacco control in 171 countries. Smoking globally kills over half of long-term smoker and causes about 7 million annual deaths. Worldwide Organization FTCT is the main global policy strategy combat smoking, but is effective in certain our interpreted time series analyzed compared before and after FTC trend in the number of prevalence and smokers below 25 years and non-cessation 45 to 59 years in 170 countries excluding China. Contracted in 10 years after FTCT ratification with income specific before FTCT trend, we observed a cumulative decrease of 15.5% for the number of current smokers and decrease 7.5% for the prevalence of smoker below age 25. Over a decade, over 170 countries, the FCTC was associated with 25 million billion fewer younger smokers and 2 million more quitters. This is another article, Predictors of Quitting Smoking Behavior Evidence from Pakistan, published in 2024. This study attempt to identify the factors significantly encourage the cessation of smoking in context of Pakistan. This result indicate the respondent have a strong intention to quit, high socioeconomic status, low in nicotine dependency, and past quit attempt. And those who are non-smoker, smoking friendly, are more likely to quit smoking cessation. On other hand, factors like social pressure, quit smoking, religion, information against smoking, intention to quit smoking, and public regulation to smoke likely encourage smokers to make quit attempt. This study calls for community school-wide smoking cessation campaign involving officials, peers, parents, religion leaders, and influential individuals to inform people about the damage of smoking. In addition, religious leaders should be encouraged to issue really ruling against smoking, especially during Friday prayers. MCQs. A 32-year-old Miss Ali is recently diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary lung disease. He is currently working in transportation company where cigarette smoking is not regulated in high risk. The most likely cause of disease is due to active smoking, cigar smoking, e-smoking, passive smoking, and shisha smoking. It's D, passive smoking. Mr. Akbar, 58-year-old, presented in the medical outpatient department with the symptoms of shortness of breath after even mild forms of exercise like walking up a flight of stairs, chest tightness, chronic cough with mucus for the last 2 years. He gave the history of cigarette smoking for the last 25 years. The most likely cause of these symptoms is due to COPD, uh, chronic liver disease, chronic heart disease, chronic bone disease, chronic gastrointestinal disease.
A.
It's A, COPD. Mr. Omar, 58-year-old, presented recently diagnosed with emphysema. He is also chronic smoker and has smoking cigarette for last 15 years. What is the most likely component of tobacco smoke responsible for his development? Emphysema, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nicotine, radon, and tar. It's E, tar. A public team is investigated the increase in the cause of death due to the increased usage of tobacco smoking among adult and middle-aged people in ABC community. According to the findings, smoking causes about 80% death due to COPD, chronic liver disease, chronic heart disease, chronic bone disease, GIT diseases. It's A, COPD. Mr. Asghar, 45 year working in the uh, construction company, presented to the outpatient department with occasional shortness of breath, especially for exercise, increase in heart rate, headache, and visual disturbance for the last 3 months. He gave history of cigarette smoking for last 15 years. What is the most likely component of tobacco smoke responsible for its development of symptoms? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nicotine, radon, and tar. It's B, carbon monoxide. Mrs. Shabana, a 32-year-old female, 10 feet pregnant, chronic smoker for last 10 years, presented in the gynecology and obstetric clinic for his routine medical checkup. Her consultant advised his quit smoking during pregnancy. She will have increased risk of following medical problem during pregnancy if she not quit smoking. Back pain, indigestion, heartburn, stillbirth and miscarriage, swelling of fingers, face and legs, urinary infection. It's stillbirth and miscarriage. Mrs. Zaid, a 58-year-old male former smoker, currently taking treatment of quitting tobacco smoking, drug addiction treatment, and rehabilitation for the last 2 years. After quitting smoking, Mrs. Zaid risk chronic heart disease dropped to close that someone don't smoke after 15 years. Mr. Osama, 50 to 45 year old male, a current smoker for last 10 years, presented to the emergency with symptoms of chest pain, discomfort, weakness, lightheadedness, nausea, and cold sweating, pain in the arm or shoulder for the last 2 days. Most likely cause of symptom acute is acute coronary disease. Mr. Jamshed, 55-year-old male, current smoker for the last 30 years, presented in the surgical emergency with a hip fracture after a fall. He most likely to cause his fracture in is due to osteoarthritis.